Hello everyone. Welcome to UCS Advantage video series. I'm Pramod Borkar, team with Cisco's Server Access and Virtualization business unit. And today we'll talk about Cisco Developer Network and UCS Sandbox and see how it can help developers and partners to achieve what they need with respect to UCS integration and certification. First of all, Cisco Developer Network does offer a lot of support resources for developers and partners. Right? It does support a lot of Cisco technologies, but we'll just delve into unified computing part of it. In the UCS portion, the unified computing portion, you'll see that there are a lot of different sections pertaining to technical resources like scripts and forums, XML API, emulator, and such. We'll dig into each one very briefly. XML API is by far the most easiest way to get information on the UCS system programmatically. Right? It is proven with many big partners like BMC Blade Logic, CA, IBM Tivoli, just to name a few, where they have deep integration with UCS purely using XML API. On the CDN, we do provide all the necessary links to guides and other resources, to templates, scripts, and such, to help developers to find all the necessary resources with respect to XML API. Check out this video which is posted on the CDN here to get a very high level understanding of the API structure, methods, and functionality. The UCS platform emulator basically enables developers to use Cisco UCS Manager and XML API without using actual hardware, which is pretty cool, right? You can get almost all the functionality as if you're using a real system. So there will be bits and pieces, enhancements which are posted on the CDN here with respect to the emulator. As and when there are UCS software releases, there will be emulator releases as well, and which will be posted on the CDN. To download the emulator, you just have to click the link here and fill in all the information, and should be able to download the VM and play with it. So the VM is emulated just a VM. On the scripts front, we do have a lot of sample scripts which are uploaded by Cisco Sabu, teamies, and developers. So there are sample scripts like login, logout, right, and some complex scripts like the failover service profile, which basically disassociates the service profile from blade, from if there's a hardware failure within a blade, and associates with a good blade in a server pool. Things like that. And there are other scripts like MAC and search MAC and worldwide node names to get all the MAC addresses and worldwide node names within your UCS domain. So these scripts are uploaded by Cisco Sabu teamies and developers. I know that these can be tweaked and used by partners and developers in their own environment. Now, what if you want to use? What if the developers want to use on a real system? Right, not on the emulator. They want to test their code on the real system. So we do provide environments on the UCS Sandbox, right? And these are a bunch of environments, each containing one fabric interconnect and a chassis with 2 blades, right? Chassis with 2 blades. So the way you get here is the very first thing you do is you fill in all the details. Go to this website. And once you do that, you get the login credentials to log in to one of the environments here. So to access the UCS Manager within this environment, you VPN to this environment and hit connect. So you can connect to the UCS Manager here. So once you connect to the UCS Manager, you should be able to see that you'll have one fabric interconnect and a chassis with 2 blades to play with. Now to upload all your software bits, your applications, your ISOs to the sandbox, we do have the FTP server in here. So all the credentials and the instructions to set up the FTP server comes along with your login credentials once you fill up the initial form. So once you fill that up, you can upload all your ISOs and bits and start playing with the sandbox. At last, I just want to point out how to join CDN. So you just have to click on the membership here and register yourself to get a Cisco account. So just to summarize, CDN has a lot of resources like emulator, scripts, forums, and such, and videos, and it should help developers to get started with the integration, with the UCS integration and certification. So please visit cisco.com/go/UCS for more information. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Bye.